guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make pasta or spaghetti the Haitian way. First, you boil the pasta. You add some oil, garlic, salt, and pepper, and then you drain it because you don't need the water. All right. And then on this separate pot here, we're gonna add hot dogs, red bell pepper, tomatoes, and onions. The type of hot dogs I'm using is this one here. And then you're gonna also need some tomato paste. So now I'm gonna fry those. And then after frying them, I just add some tomato paste, and then I will add the pasta and let it cook for about 10-15 minutes. Alright, and make sure your pasta is not too soft. Like this one is perfectly cooked. So you don't want it to be too hard and you don't want it to be too soft. Alright? Now I'm adding the tomato paste. To give it a nice color. And if you need salt, make sure you taste the spaghetti and see if you need more salt. But remember, you already have the hot dog. Alright, so at this point now I'm gonna add the pasta. And that will be the final stage. Make sure you mix it all together. And then that's it. Bon appetit. Smells so good. After you fry the hot dog, make sure you drain the excess oil. As you can see, it's not greasy.